Why consider using a Varien Warm Dim product? It's simple. The warm 1800 Kelvin light can create a relaxed environment, such as in a restaurant or in your living room. The lower and warmer light output soothes the eyes and mimics the natural cycle of the sun. This regulates your body's natural sleep cycle and promotes a restful, healthier sleep. Varien Warm Dim technology is an essential component of a human-centric lighting system. As you move your dimmer to increase the brightness, the warm candlelight goes back up to that white, full sun light. The intelligent circuitry facilitates an effortless control of your home, office, or restaurant lighting without having to upgrade your existing dimmer. The new version is compatible with all dimmer switches in conjunction with our power factor dimmable drivers. Varien technology is even compatible with 0 to 10 volt and various home automation systems like Lutron Cassetta, Radio RA, and Graphic IQS, just to name a few. Let's take a look at how a Varien system is created. All you need is a dimmer switch, one of alloy LED power factor dimmable LED drivers. This converts high voltage to low voltage and outputs a signal. Then you need some Varien LED tape, and the Varien tape's intelligent circuit will read and interpret the signal output from the power factor LED driver. What if you already have a low voltage lighting system and you want to upgrade to a Varien system? Easy. All you have to do is swap the driver, power supply, for an alloy LED power factor dimmable driver. Then swap static white light tape with any Varien tape, and the intelligent circuit will take care of the rest. No extra connections, components, or wiring. The Varien product family features many models for a variety of applications. Come check out our website to learn more about our Varien family of products.